How to fix can't create an account on Lemon8 app? Let's get started. First, check your internet connection. Launch your settings. Click on the option Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forget this network. Give a fresh restart to your router and rezone it. Or switch between networks, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Enable for the option of airplane mode. Wait for a few minutes and then disable it. This will refresh your network issues. Next up, what you wanna do is update your Lemon8 app. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app Lemon8. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next thing you want to do is delete the app and reinstall it. Press and hold on the app, click on remove app, then launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app Lemon8 and then download it. Lastly, while you are creating your account, make sure the credentials are correct. The phone number and email address are correct. With these, you'll be good to go. You'll be able to create your account on Lemon8 app. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.